Understanding open one's heart in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, open one's heart. This phrase carries a lot of emotional weight and can be a key to understanding English conversations that delve into personal and emotional topics. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means to open one's heart. In this section, we'll break down the phrase into two parts, its literal and figurative meanings. Literally, open refers to making something accessible or removing barriers, and heart is the organ in our chest that pumps blood. But figuratively, when we say someone opens their heart, it means they are being emotionally open, honest, and vulnerable. They are sharing their true feelings, thoughts, and emotions without holding back. Here, we'll explore how the phrase is used in everyday conversations. Open one's heart can be used in various contexts, such as sharing secrets, expressing love, or seeking emotional support. We'll look at some examples of dialogues and situations where this phrase might naturally come up, helping you understand its usage in real-life scenarios. In this section, we'll discuss the cultural significance of the phrase. Emotional openness is valued differently across cultures, and understanding this can help in both personal and professional interactions. We'll explore how the phrase reflects cultural attitudes towards vulnerability and emotional expression. Now, let's learn how you can use open one's heart in your own conversations. We'll go through some tips and tricks on how to express your emotions clearly using this phrase, and how to respond when someone else opens their heart to you. This can be particularly useful in building strong relationships and effective communication. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, open one's heart, and how you can use it to enrich your English vocabulary and conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the emotions and cultural nuances they convey. So, go ahead and open your heart in your conversations and see the magic it brings. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.